Hey guys, Sylvia here, and welcome all to my Imaginative review. Well, here I am, right inside of Imaginative members area. I'll show you guys what the product looks like. In short, from what you can probably already see, it is vertical videos, captivating animated videos made for children with PLR rights. So you're getting PLR license. And that's that. You also get a bunch of bonuses from both the vendor and me. I have actually prepared an amazing package of bonuses which will help you make money with this product, with these videos, the PLR videos. You can resell them, you can use them to warm up, to explode your YouTube channel as obviously YouTube Shorts. You'd use them as YouTube Shorts and they're super trendy. You can use them for your TikTok account, as Facebook feeds, Instagram Reels, stuff like that, okay? Because as we know, short content is very, very trendy, goes viral very fast, super fast, okay? And, with my bonuses, which I'll discuss later, but just to let you know that with the purchase of any of the upsells, I have a bunch of 2 really good videos as well that I have prepared myself to help you monetize some of the upsells, because the upsells will be storybooks in both text and audio formats as well. So wait for that. I'll go through the funnel and I'll explain why my upsell bonuses will help you make money with them too. Okay, so on the sales page, which you will find below my review, so go click that link. It says that, you're getting your PLR rights, and here's 50 plus animated vertical kids story videos for a fun and captivating experience for children. They're 100% editable and rebrandable videos for easy profits, as they say here. And you just use a free account of Canva. I'll show you how to do that, how quickly it is. And as I said, PLR license. At the bottom of the sales page, guys, you will have your sort of do's and don'ts, what you can and cannot do with cannots. Can you say that? But you get my point. Like, for example, you cannot resell this product on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, or you cannot offer it for free. You can probably offer it as a bonus. Yes, you can, but not for free, as a lead magnet or something like that, okay? And as you can see, guys, this is taken from YouTube, right? Just check out how many millions of views these kinds of videos are getting on YouTube, and TikTok is probably even more viral. So on the sales page, you will have examples of the videos. Let me just play one of them maybe.
Snow Leopard's Icy Expedition. High in the Himalayas, a curious snow leopard named Leo discovered an old explorer's journal detailing a lost city buried under the ice. Leo decided to find this lost city and was joined by an agile mountain goat named Greta and a
Okay, very, very cute stuff. Very, very cute voice as well. Children are gonna love them for sure. Okay, so check them out. You've got the sort of like samples of what you're getting here, but here below are listed all of the videos you have. So as you can see, over 50, plus the extra bonuses you're also getting from the vendor on top of just the front end will be 100 plus custom Canva frames graphics, which you will see below. Also 150 plus 3D stickers and 100 plus unique animals. And then 100 plus kids tracing books. So very, very valuable bonuses. There you go. So that's what you're getting as bonuses alone. And here is the list of your label rights, license, terms and conditions, right? So what you cannot do, it's very important to take a note of that, guys. You cannot sell or distribute this product across platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo or ClickBank as a front-end product. Oh, so maybe you can do it as an upsell, possibly. and then you cannot sell or distribute this product across free membership site that's specialized in distributing PLR or resell rights products. There are a bunch of websites like that, okay? PLR.com, PLR products, this and that, okay, where you can actually get PLR products if you're a member of those platforms. Most of the time a paid member, there would be a membership fee to be able to use those PLR platforms, but some of them are actually free. Mind you, with the free ones, they're probably not of the highest quality, to be honest with you. I'm referring to PLR websites, you know. Okay, so this sales page will be below my review. Go check it out. And now I'm going to show you the members area. So here we have it. Here you would click to download all images used in the videos. And here you click to, so it looks like that. Okay, just click to download. I have downloaded these images actually. There's it's 200 megabytes. So let me just show you the examples of the images. You will have them put in like nicely in categories. So there you go. Okay, and there's a bunch of them. And then the same will apply to the videos. You'll have them here. So if you want to download them in bulk, like all, but you can also download them individually just by clicking. And first, I would just recommend you to customize them with Canva. So just as it says here, click on each image to access the video editing rights on Canva below. Alright, so here we have it. It says a template created by John, not sure how to pronounce the surname, was shared with you. Start designing now. John is the vendor. This is the vendor, by the way. It's a Warrior Plus launch. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let me just show you how easily it is gonna be customized. It can be customized with Canva. There you go. It just goes boom into your free Canva account. This is my free Canva account. It's just drag and drop, guys. Okay, so you can go bit by bit to customize the whole video. I wouldn't change much here. I would probably just change the logo, this one, because you don't want people to see this logo. And you can maybe change the title or something like that, change the fonts just to make it kind of unique, like stamp your, like sort of slap your name on it. You can do that, okay? And that's how it works. So let me just go back. I just go back to the members area and show you what else you will find below the videos. Here you will have the links to access the images, download the bonuses from here. And the bonuses are listed on the sales page. Well, listed and shown. So you get all of the information, guys, really to make an educated decision on the sales page. It's all shown very transparently, even the bonuses. So, you know, very, very, as I said, honest, transparent sales page. I love it. Okay, let me show you the funnel. The front end will be $14.95, and this is what you're getting. So 50 plus animated vertical kids video story videos, PLR rights, plus all of the bonuses. There will be a bump offer on the front end for $7.95, and that's 500 plus storybook keyword ideas and 200 plus video segment of Imaginative. Interesting. Okay, now OTO number 1, $37.95, 100 plus animated vertical kids story videos, 500 plus video segment of Imaginative. I'm not too sure what that means exactly. Maybe it's obvious, but somehow like it's not clicking in my brain. PLR rights and some bonuses as well. OTO number 2, Pro downsell. So I guess the downsell of this one will be the OTO number 2, $27.95. So the same stuff, but less of it. It seems, maybe not. Maybe the same. Okay, OTO number 3, Imaginative storybook, and my bonuses will really complement especially the storybooks bonuses very nicely, because I give you guys access to tutorials on how to sell those storybooks on Draft to Digital and Google Play Store. These are bonus tutorials done by me. Each of them is about half an hour long. Okay, so yeah, that's that. So you're getting 150 plus imaginative storybooks and also audiobooks and PLR, right? So you can resell them, and reselling them on these platforms will be sort of like getting to the gold mine almost, right? And OTO number 4, 17.95 is a downsell to this one, so you will have downsells. Okay, so good to know, right? Now OTO number, which one did I show you? Sorry, did I skip? No, OTO number 4, audiobook. 100 plus audiobooks, 100 plus cover image storybook PLR rights, and you'll have some bump offers on these upsells as well. Alright guys, so that's the funnel. I would say very congruent with the front end offer, all about kids, children niche, books, videos, audiobooks for children. They do sell well like hot cross buns. The children niche is just, as long as we have children, there will be a demand for it, and the very cute videos for sure. So yeah, guys, also going back to my bonuses, so with the front end alone, I'll give you access to a guide I prepared myself called the PLR Profit Maximizer Blueprint. Then bonus number 2 is how to create and edit professional images for free with Canva. So in case you're not familiar with Canva and how to use it, this bonus will help you. I'll give you a leg up. And do take a note of the fact that all of the bonuses I give you access to with the front end alone, all of the bonuses are PLR products as well, okay? And then I give you access to how to sell creations on Etsy. So perfect marketplace for selling such products that you would get with Imaginative. And then how to sell videos on Amazon Prime with Video Direct. There's a method to this madness, and you will learn how to do it with this training course. And plus, with the purchase of any of the upsells, guys, I give you access to 2 amazing tutorials done by me. And here is the upsell bonus delivery page. So you just click here, and you'd be taken to my YouTube channel. Okay, as you can see, this is on YouTube as unlisted, so only people who bought the product will get access to these tutorials on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm showing you the Draft to Digital platform, and in the other bonus I'm showing you how to do the Google Play Store, and there's a nice workflow to it as well. So this one is, hello and welcome to my bonus tutorial number 2. Okay, this is how to make money by selling products on, again, Google Play Store, and not many people would know how to use it. Most of the time we just think of Google Play Store as a way to, as a platform, as a means of getting apps, right? Downloading apps from it. But no, you can sell books on it, even better, and charge higher prices than on Amazon. And it's not as saturated as Amazon. Alright? Cool guys, so check out that link below my review. I'm done. I am done. Quite sleepy. Yesterday I was working till late, so no rest for the wicked, as they say. But no, this is an amazing product. It's going live, anytime soon, today. So check out that link. And yeah, enjoy my bonuses as well. Okay, bye.